Here's an example of how we add our fractions with mixed numbers. So remember what we learned earlier this year. We are going to add our mixed numbers last. Let's worry about our fractions first, and then we'll add in our mixed numbers. So I have a denominator of 8, and I have a denominator of 3. I cannot add different size pieces if they are not the same. So I have to get them the same. I have to find the lowest common denominator. So we write out our factors of 8. We write out our factors of 3. So 8. Just want to change my pen. 8, 16, 24, 32. I usually go up to 4 or 5. So now let's write up our list, our factors of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I'm not seeing anything in common, so I'm going to keep going. 18, still nothing. 24, and there it is. 24 is my common denominator. Just going to erase this for space. So I need to make sure that my denominator is 24. So I have 5 eighths. What do I multiply 8 by to get to 24? 3. Perfect. 8 times 3 is 24. Remember that rule. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 5 times 3 is 15. So this fraction is equivalent to this fraction. I'm just going to write this off to the side. Okay, so now I have 2/3, and I have to turn it into 24th size pieces. So 3 times what is 24? 8. Okay, remember, whatever I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. 2 times 8 is 16. So 2/3 is also equivalent to 16 24ths. Now I can add them. Remember, when we add and subtract fractions, we do not add the denominator. Our denominator stays the same. 15 plus 16 is 31. So I have 31 24ths. What do you notice about that fraction? Well, I know that it's a fraction greater than 1, and I can't forget about this 4 and this 2, so I have to add them. I have to get my other mixed number so that I can add in my 4 and 2 wholes. So I need to take out a whole. So here's my one whole. I'm going to take out 24 24ths. And I'm going to subtract to see how much I have left over. So 7 24ths is left over. So really I have 1 and 7 24ths. Now I can add in my mixed numbers. So now I have 1, 4, and 2. Adding them together gives you what? 7 and 7 24ths. I know it's a lot of work. Just remember your steps. Keep this video up because I go step by step to help you out.